Hello, this is Miss Seaver. Today we're going to be working on today's weekly number, and the number I picked for today is the number 18. I also just wanted to let you know that I work on today's weekly number every Tuesday on Zoom at 11 a.m. if you would like to join me. Okay? So here's the number 18. If you see, there are how many digits? How many digits do you see in the number 18? Okay, very good. There are 2 digits in the number 18. Each number is a digit. So the number 18 is a 2-digit number. Okay, let's write that down. 2-digit number. What number do you see in the ones place? When you see the number 18, here's the number 18, what number do you see in the ones place? Very good. Number 8. This is the ones place. Okay. When you see the number 18, what number do you see in the tens place? Very good. A 1. The 1 is in the tens place. That means there's only one 10. If we were to build the number 18 using base 10 blocks, it would look like this. There's one 10. And then how many ones? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is what the number 18 would look like if we were to represent it using base 10 blocks. So here's 18. Do you know what this is? Does anyone know what this is called? It's not a ruler. This is called a measuring tape. A lot of my students are currently working on measuring, so I just wanted to introduce this because it's also a science test question, and some students don't really know what a measuring tape is. But this is very flexible. You can bend it, and it's called a measuring tape. Okay? So let's go ahead and count to 18 using the measuring tape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. There's 18. 18. Do you know what the measurement is? Right here, it tells you on the measuring tape what the measurement is. It's called an inch. Each one of these spaces, which are about the same size as the tip of your finger, is an inch. So we just counted 18 inches. Now, if you were to turn the measuring tape around, the spaces are much, much smaller, just the tip of your finger. Those are definitely not inches, but do you know what they're called? Do you know what the spaces here on the back are called? They are called centimeters, and it's about the size or tip of your finger. So let's count 18 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Here are 18 centimeters. Much smaller than inches. So let's go ahead and go back to our number, or today's weekly number. Here we go. So our today's weekly number is what number? Very good. It's 18. 18 is today's weekly number. All right, sometimes my phone camera doesn't want to work the way I want it to. All right, so again, what number is in the ones place? What number do you see in the ones place? The number 8. Very good. So this is the ones place. Then what number is in the tens place? The 1. Very good. And that's when we mark it TO. And if you have a 3-digit number, you would mark it HTO. Now, number 18, we're going to have to figure out, is that an odd or even number? Number 18, is that an odd or even number? What do you think? Remember, an even number can be split between two people where they both have an equal amount. An odd number means that one person ends up with more than the other. So let's go ahead and review odd and even just in case you forgot. All right? So when you have a 2-digit number, you need to look at the number in the ones place. Let's try to figure out, is that 8 an odd number or an even number? Okay? So odd numbers are, let's review them, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Okay, these are odd numbers. That means even numbers are 2, 4, 6, 8. So looking at these numbers, odd numbers and even numbers, and here in our ones place is the number 8. Is number 8 even or odd? Very good. Number 8 was right here. It means it's an even number. So here we go, even. And I have copies of these worksheets. If you need one, just send me a message if you need a copy, okay? Let me see if I can adjust this again. Keeps on wobbling around. All right. So 18. Now we're going to move over here. 18 and 1 more. What is 18 plus 1? So if you have a 120s chart, that's where this would be very helpful to have. So if you have a 120s chart, go ahead and pull it out now. Here is mine. I'm going to look for the number 18. Okay, so remember, if you're adding by ones, you move to the right. If you're subtracting by ones, you move to the left. If you're subtracting by 10, you move up. If you add by tens, you move down. So number 18 plus 1, that means we're moving to the right. So 18 plus 1 equals 19. 18 plus 1, one more, is 19. 19. Uh-oh, there's that one less. Are we going to be moving to the left or the right? We know our number is going to get smaller. So here we go. Here's number 18. Number 18, if we're subtracting by 1, we're moving to the left. So 18 minus 1 equals 17. So 18, 1 less, is 17. 10 more. 18, here's number 18, 10 more, that means we're moving down. 18 plus 10, or 10 more, equals 28. 18 and 10 more equals 28. And here's 10 less. 10 less. That means the number is getting smaller. So 18 minus 10, that means we're moving up. 18 minus 10 equals 8. 8. 18, 10 less equals 8. All right, so now we're on the tricky part. 100 more, well, 120's chart sometimes only goes to 120, right? This one we're gonna be okay with. So 18 plus 100. How many tens are in 100? There are 10 tens in 100. So 18 plus 100. So let's count our tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Here we go. 18 plus 100 more equals 118. So here we go, 118. We can't do 100 less, so we'll put an X on there because we're not working on that kind of math in elementary school. Okay, so if I want to spell the number 18, how do I spell it? And if I don't have the resource, maybe I can use a word bank, or I can ask someone for help, right? Well, Miss Seaver's going to help you right now. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. Okay, using 18, creating 18, here we go in our base 10 blocks. Just like I showed you earlier, do we have any hundreds? No, there are no 100s in 18, but tens. How many tens do we have in 18? Remember? Here we go. 1, 10. How many ones? Remember our ones. How many ones do we have in 18? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. Ooh, expanded form. Do you remember that? We reviewed that one a lot at the beginning of the school year. Let's see if you can remember what expanded form is. Expanded form is when you take a number and you stretch it out. You stretch it out. So we would take 10 plus 8 equals 18. Do you see how we took that 18 and we stretched it apart? All right, so here's our number of today's weekly number of the day, and I hope this helped you review your number sense. Please let me know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.